Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're covering the step-by-step guide on how to set up an LLC for your Shopify business. We'll go over the benefits, the exact steps you need to take, and the important requirements to get your LLC up and running. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39, saving you both time and money. Before we dive into the steps, let's understand why you need an LLC for your Shopify business. If you're running a Shopify business, having an LLC is essential for protecting your personal assets and giving your business a professional structure. An LLC, or limited liability company, separates your personal finances from your business, shielding you from any potential lawsuits or business debts. It also enhances your business's credibility, which is especially important for attracting customers and investors. So now let's dive into how to set up your LLC for Shopify dropshipping or e-commerce. So now the first step is to choose your business name. First, you'll need to pick a name for your LLC. The name should reflect your Shopify store and brand identity. Make sure it's unique and aligns with your business niche. Once you've got a name in mind, check if it's available by searching for your state business directory or using online tools. So it would depend on the location of where you would like to form your LLC. So if you're in Florida, you can just go to sunbiz.org and then you can search for your LLC name right here to make sure that it's unique. Pro tip, you can also register your domain name for your Shopify store at the same time to ensure consistency across your online presence. And now, step 2, get your employer identification number or EIN. Next, you'll need an EIN from the IRS, which is like a social security number for your business. It allows you to hire employees, pay taxes, and open a business bank account. The process to get your EIN is free and takes only 15 minutes on the IRS website. Step 3, register your LLC. So now you can use the link in the description below so that you'd be able to register your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent for just $39. So now let's click here. And now it's time to officially register your LLC with your state. Each state has different requirements and filing fees, but the process is usually straightforward. If you want to save time and skip the hassle, you can use Northwest Registered Agent, which we have the link in the description, for just $39. They will handle all the paperwork for you, making it easier to focus on your Shopify business. And now, step number 4, set up a business bank account. Once your LLC is approved, open a separate business bank account to manage your business finances. Keeping your personal and business finances separate is key to maintaining your liability protection. You'll need your EIN and LLC registration documents to open the account. And now, step 5, build your Shopify store. With your LLC set up, the final step is to launch your Shopify store. Shopify offers a user-friendly platform, making it easy to set up your online shop even if you are a beginner. You can customize your store, add products, and start selling. Remember, once your store is live, it's crucial to stay compliant with the state regulations. Northwest Registered Agent offers ongoing compliance support, keeping your business in good standing after a year. Starting an LLC for your Shopify business doesn't have to be difficult. By following these steps, which is first choosing a business name, then getting an EIN, then registering your LLC, and then setting up a bank account and launching your store, you'll be on your way to building a successful and legally protected business. If you want to streamline the LLC formation process and avoid the paperwork headaches, Northwest Registered Agent is the perfect choice. For only $39 plus state fees, they'll handle all the LLC formation process for you. They also provide a year of free registered agent service, ensuring your business stays compliant with all legal requirements. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.